Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Hyundai Tucson here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure the ignition is switched on. And from here, we're going to use these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. Now first, press the menu button until you get to the settings icon. Then you want to go press OK on driver assistance. Then scroll down until you get to FCA, forward collision avoidance. If you have that ticked on, if you press OK on that, it will automatically brake for you in case you don't brake in time. Or if you want it off and you want to turn that off, you just untick it with OK, and that's it.